Good morning. My name is Chulu Jucwa. Farm colleagues, they call me Chulu, and I live in Langa. I am a farmer in Langa. This journey has made a huge difference in my life because I've always wanted to do farming, but how our elders in the Eastern Cape used to do it. It used to be so depressed. By the time you come back home, you're back, you have so much physical needs, to the point that I was like, no, I need to introduce something that shall be sustainable for everyone and also be fun to introduce the youth into the community. Because at the end of the day, if we don't grow our own food, we're as good as in trouble, because the cost of living is going up so high to the point that what can we do? I enjoy growing basil, because what I love about basil, it can turn any ordinary food into extraordinary food. And my other best vegetable is coriander. I always rotate them with basil, because basil, it loves a lot of sun and it's very easy to maintain. And coriander, I love it because in winter it thrives and it is so delicious, I promise you. What I love about African growers is the fact that in a small space of land, you can grow so much to the point that it would even exceed, I would say, a hectare, because it's, instead of me having just one row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 growing space, and all those 4 growing spaces, they have 4 in each. So you do the math. And when I'm saying that now I am saving on food, I really mean. HandPicked City Farmers for giving me the opportunity of incorporating this beautiful, amazing, modern way of farming. Sure.